Thank you very much. And I think this is one of the victories that are very prominent in the legal system, in the sense that it will also be expressed in other cases. We are very happy as the NPA that finally this matter will go to trial, and therefore we will then get to finality. It has taken so many years, and we think that it sends a very clear message to others that we do not want to have this thing of saying justice delayed, because in this case we could see that justice has been delayed, and now we are happy that the matter will finally, regardless of whatever challenge that might come, will finally go to trial, and the 1st of February has been put in place, and then we are happy about it.
Now, while we were waiting for the judge to come out from his chambers earlier, we were talking about how this case has been delayed for such a long time. You were even noting that some people weren't even born, as we've seen so many delays. It would be months, years, because it started back in the early 2000s.
I think it started somewhere there. Therefore, it's really, you can see that it took so many years, and therefore it is not doing justice to the judicial system, because people will start looking at this and say, if you don't have money, therefore your cases will be done quickly, and those that have money can delay it as much as possible. But in this case, we are comfortable and we are happy as the NPA that finally we will go to trial and the merits of the matter will be dealt with.
And just in closing, before we part, can you just tell us the significance, because you keep talking about how it also sends a message to people who are saying that if you don't have money, then your case gets a speedy reaction, whereas those who do have money, similar to former President Jacob Zuma, they kept being delays and delays. Can you just emphasize the significance of the ruling that the judge made?
Yeah, you have heard from the judge himself that this was putting the judicial system into disrepute, and that in itself is a clear message that should be sent out there to say the more speedier the matters, the better, because we want justice to be seen to be done, not a situation where justice can be delayed as much as possible until the cases are not finalized. Therefore, that is not justice to everyone. We want even the people who are thinking of doing it, now we've got a firm judgment from the High Court that says you can't do that, and therefore let us make sure that it is implemented even in other cases.